So the media has been crucifying Ruben Amorim since his statement that was made after the Sunday clash against Brighton. Let's get into it. Here's my take. So here's my take about the situation, which I don't understand, but I feel like maybe British media is very different. But I feel like they've been waiting for something to be said by Ruben Amorim so that they could literally lash on him or bash on him. But what I don't see anything wrong with the statement. So he literally made a statement like they are the worst Manchester United team ever, which is true, and I agree with Ruben Amorim. Like, how do you expect to perform against a team like Arsenal, against a team like Liverpool, and be at your best and show your best? Against Arsenal, we played with 10 men. And we still defeated Arsenal on penalties. That 10 men could literally stand its ground against Arsenal. And the very same team cannot stand against a Brighton. I know Brighton has been literally showing us flame the past months. But if you could fight wholeheartedly and fully against a team like Liverpool, which they are number one on the table, and they are the best team in the Premier League currently, and you cannot fight against Brighton, okay, we know another 10 mistakes. Cool. So my point on this is that I agree with Ruben Amorim, because when players do mistakes and players don't perform, who do we chase on the team, on the club? We chase the manager. Look, you can see how many managers we have been chasing. We have been looking at Rashford lacking and doing what? Ruben Amorim came in. I don't want to lie, Rashford is my favorite player. But Ruben came in and literally stood up and like, yo, Rashford, you're not performing. And we are not going to play you like this. You know, an honest manager is good. So now when the manager becomes honest, and he's literally being honest, because how could you play against those best teams, but you cannot perform against a Brighton? Alright, cool, Onana made mistakes. Our defense wasn't that. But what he's saying is that he doesn't want to individually blame players, but he's blaming the whole entire team. But when the players do mistakes or lose, we blame the manager because he's not doing a good job. But when the manager is telling us the truth, like, look, I'm telling these people to do 1, 2, 3, but they're not doing that. That's what I'm saying. We are the worst Manchester United team ever. And which is true, bro. I agree. These players, some of them, your Garnachos, you can literally see, like, yo, Garnacho sometimes looks like he doesn't know what to do. You know, some mistakes you can see, like, okay, the Brighton game, I don't want to lie, for me, we would have never lost that game. But just because players were not focusing, your Onanas were not focusing, you know, okay, cool. We were going to come back on that game, but I don't blame him when he says we are the worst team ever. I feel like the media is just crucifying him, because he's literally telling the truth. When players are not performing, we blame it on the manager. But when the manager is blaming the players, we're saying it's wrong. How? But I don't know, man. That's my take on that situation. And I don't blame Ruben, and I'm supporting my coach. He's very right with me to say and tell the truth, like, as it is. You know? I don't know, man. Please let me know how do you feel about the situation in the comment section. Click the like button. Press the subscribe button so that you can know every time when I post videos on the channel. And from me, Mr. Sparkles, I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.